Harry's Liquor offers the selection and expertise of a full-service liquor store right inside many Price Chopper and Sunfresh locations. Harry's helps Kansas City celebrate the best moments in life. And today, we're teaching you the ins and outs of another classic cocktail, margaritas. While the true origin of the margarita is a mystery, its flavor is well known worldwide. Tequila, triple sec, and lime juice make this drink's bright, fresh flavor a favorite among many. You'll often see a margarita garnished with a lime and rim of salt, and it can be served on the rocks, frozen, or with no ice at all. Of course, the world has created many new takes on this mixed classic with different types of produce. Here are just a few of our favorites. The strawberry margarita. Give your drink some sweetness with a handful of fresh fruit while dodging that artificial syrup flavor. We like to garnish our drink with some fresh fruit and mint, too. The jalapeno margarita. Steep some sliced jalapenos in your tequila to get that signature spice. Worried about the heat? Add some cucumber to cool things down a notch. The pineapple margarita. Add a flare of citrus with some fresh pineapple juice. To spice things up, feel free to rim your glass with tahini instead of salt. There are plenty of other variations you can try too, like peach, blackberry, mango, or even celery. Experiment with various produce to create a margarita that is perfect for summer. Let us know your favorite take on the margarita in the comments below. Cheers!